Typical day here. I am cleaning up. I just started cleaning this file up, and I thought I would check in with you all and just kind of talk through this. I despise doing this kind of work because, it's kind of, as an artist, it's a little offensive to get this kind of work in and have to clean it up. You know the drill. As a screen print shop, you all get artwork in from a customer. This is a school, and they send artwork in, and they think it's the greatest thing, and you have to screen print it. And if you screen print it as is, it's going to look like poo poo. And so you have to, well, you don't have to, but I choose to put in a little extra effort to clean the file up, make it look nice. That's just what I do, that's how I roll. And it's the same with my separation business. And I get jobs in from customers, from you guys, that, your customer doesn't know what they're giving you. And so you quote the job, but then you realize you got to do this crap for the next 30 minutes or an hour, depending on how bad it is, and clean stuff up. Then you can get to your separation work.
Yeah, I can take this. I'm actually run by the.
And that's pretty common these days. Isn't that the name of our business? You can avoid this stuff, but, do you turn down work? No. It all depends on what you want to do. So I'm making kind of a clean mask around this. The file, I've already upped the resolution to 600, but I know I'm going to be cleaning it up, so I won't have any issues with the separations and interpolation. It was a crappy JPEG. Not to mention this is going to be screen printed as a left chest. So will they see it? Should I let it ride and print the crap as is? I don't know. I just can't do it myself. So I tend to come in and do this. But, as a separation business, if I'm doing this all the time, there are plenty of separators out there that make more money, that operate a better business for themselves, because they just don't do this kind of crap. If they separate the job at all for you, they separate it as is. And they get it, they finish their job, and then however it looks on press is however it looks on press, because they might be thinking, well, the customer kind of deserves what they're getting because this is what they gave you. So just different ways of looking at your business. I can't do that myself. And that's probably why I'm not as lucrative or successful at my color separation business as some other ones are. Because they just won't do this kind of work. And so maybe they are getting all work that's like perfect art files ready to go. They get in, they do their separations. It makes the job go quicker, obviously, if you got good files. So I'm just chatting while I'm working. But what I'm doing is I'm just making a mask all around everything. And then I'm going to make an outline and then using that outline as a template, like this right here. See how fuzzy this is? Well, I'm going to have a sharp, clean outline around this, and then I can color it as needed using that as a selection. It'll be just masking the outline only and not really messing with the inner part of the artwork. Just to give you an idea. So that's that.